everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, it's been so long, I'm so sorry. Life just gets in the way. So guys, on today's video we are doing, as I said in the caption, we're doing a hit pan 2025. We are halfway through the year. This isn't even technically half of what I've been going through, but a lot of it I've left at work. But I just want to get rid of this box right now because it's really irritating me, and I want to swap over the boxes from the ones at work to the ones that are here in my house. So without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit all the buttons and do all the YouTubey things. I kind of even forget what to say now at this stage, it's been so long. But as you can see, I'm very minimum makeup, which, you know, isn't normally like me. I'm normally full glam. But we're just going through a different stage right now, and it's summer and it's really hot and I cannot be bothered putting on a full face of makeup. I literally can't. So let's get into this video. So this is all my stuff, all of this. So let me just go through it. I'm going to separate it really quickly into like hair, skincare, tan, whatever it is. And I shall be back in like literally a second. Okay, so as I was kind of going through it, I actually realised it is predominantly skincare and makeup. So let's just go through the one item that is actually hair care, because it's this Curl Cream Essentials from Boots. I got this because I saw it on a TikTok thing and everybody was raving about it, and then I got it and I didn't actually find it that good. If anything, I found it dehydrated my hair a little bit more. So I used it up. There's only a little bit left in it. I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to leave that where it is. I also have used up this Renaudet Multi Lift Ultra SPF 20 cream from Lancome. I did enjoy it. I do enjoy my Lancome creams. As you know, I kind of go through the phases of them, but I also enjoy my Aldi's Lacura Revitalize Night. Love that. The Mavala Anti-Age Pro Day Serum. I've literally just finished that one now in the last like few days. Again, another really good serum, but I do prefer my ordinary hyaluronic acid one. If you've seen my previous video to this where I'm actually doing a bit of skincare, that's the one I kind of prefer. Now this one, if you know guys, you know this one, Lacura. They got into so much trouble over this. This was the dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow, and it is gone, so gone. I don't know whether to keep the packaging or not. Guys, let me know what you think. I don't know whether to keep it. Like, it is kind of iconic because Charlotte Tilbury did sue Aldi and get into big trouble over it. But it's kind of that like little iconic moment in makeup, isn't it? I also used up this moisturising eye cream from Elizabeth Arden, Visibly Different. I love this range. The Visibly Different range is one I really recommend from Elizabeth Arden. I'm not a mad fan of her products, but that one I do like. This one was also nice, which is another eye cream I used. It was the Brightening Eye Gel. Absorbed really quickly into the eye. I get bags under my eyes if I don't get enough sleep, which is pretty much every day. But I did find that one really good. Instant Boost Skin Tonic Spritzer from Elizabeth Arden. Now this was when Elizabeth Arden actually was Elizabeth Arden. It wasn't owned by the Boots brand. So it's quite old. I used to work for Elizabeth Arden back in the day. I think this is when I got this one. I think this is the end of my Elizabeth Arden products from back then. Good product. I don't know what the new formulation is like because obviously it's all changed now since they've changed hands, so I'm not 100% sure. Also have this Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Sun Defense for face. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. This isn't even done, but I actually can't use it. It's so irritating on my skin. I've also been using this Calendula face cream from Veleda, and this is now empty as well, so that's gone. This is actually a baby cream, but you know. I have finished up my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this product. This is amazing. It is so bloody good, but it is also so bloody expensive. It is absolute hydration. Like, it doesn't absorb that easy, I will admit. It does take me a while to get it to absorb, but when it does, it's in, it's locked. The hydration is there, and if you're doing makeup on top of it, it just absolutely looks incredible. So I always had that in my kit. I also have been finishing this Vichy Mineral 89. Love this as well. Again, the only thing I'll say about this, different about this one compared to my hyaluronic acid, is this one actually absorbs quicker and gets to do the job quicker. I mean, you are paying for it to do the job quicker. It is like £30 a bottle versus like about £10 for the ordinary. Bit of a difference. I will always stick to the ordinary because it's more affordable and it works within my budget. And you know what, guys? That was all my hit pans for the ones I had at home. I thought I had more. It's probably the one at work that's the one that's obviously chock-a-block because I do most of my makeup and stuff at work. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. This has been an incredibly quick video. Like always, my videos are just incredibly quick lately. You know, we gotta be bougie with these things. We gotta run through it. So that is it. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed this quick little talk through of some products. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And I will see you again next week. Bye!